Hey guys, this is Kelly and today I'm gonna show you guys how to curl Asian lashes. Asians like me, we have really straight lashes that point downward. If you guys can see, it's, oh my gosh, like the worst lashes ever. And I don't even think that you guys can see my eyelashes though, it's so freaking tiny. Oh my god, it's so pathetic. Can you tell? I have a little bit of like eyelashes, but it's just not a lot. So usually if I want to curl my lashes, it takes me a long time, and usually if I want to use mascara, it's another obstacle. So I want to tell you guys what mascara to use and what eyelash colors and what primer to use, because primer to me is the most important thing ever. Like eyelash primers are like the bomb AF. So I want to show you guys what primer I usually use. So for primers, I have two that I really like, and they're both from the Asian companies. One, it's by Etude Health. It's the Dr. Mascara Fixer Super Long Lash. This one adds a little bit of fiber. I have the original one as well, but I like this a little bit more because it adds fiber onto my real lashes, so my lashes will be curled and long as well. And another one, it's by PMEL. Is it PMEL or PMEL? It's actually a recommendation by a YouTuber called Sarah Shui or Sash Shui. I don't know how to pronounce her name, but I really love her. Super big fan of her. And if you actually watch this, I love you, Sarah! But anyways, this one, it's recommended by her and it's so amazing. I bought it at Yesstyle. If you don't have SASA in your country, you can actually buy this at Yesstyle or Amazon. I bought mine at Yesstyle because Singapore's SASA don't carry this, so Singapore SASA, please carry this product. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna show you guys how I curl my lashes as well, and also put on the primer and what mascara to use. I have a few mascaras that I really love, but today I'm just gonna show you one or two because this video I want to keep it short and sweet so you guys can follow. I'll also post the best mascara for Asian lashes in the next upload, so remember to catch it. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to me, remember to subscribe and give this video a like. And also, okay, so right now I'm just gonna show you guys which two colors that I love. This is like my holy grail. So the first one would be the Voluminous one, and another one it's the SHISEIDO curler. I bought this both in Japan, and if you have Asian lashes and you have not tried this Japanese curler, you have to go get it. If you don't have access to these two colors, you can actually get them at Yesstyle. Also, this is not a sponsored video, nor a paid video, nor a PR video. I'm so sad. But Yesstyle, if you see this video, yeah, girl is here. I'm gonna show you guys how I curl my lashes using these two colors. So this I will be using Voluminous and this one would be SHISEIDO. For me, I think these two colors actually do the same thing, but Voluminous is a little bit more expensive. So if you're on a budget, you can actually get the SHISEIDO one. But I think that the SHISEIDO one, after a long time, it gets a little bit like wonky and a bit too loose. So if you ever buy this, remember just to buy an extra one in case. The curvature of these two colors, they are actually very flat, so they're suitable for Asian eyes because our eyes has zero crease. Back it's the SHISEIDO one, and the front one it's the Voluminous one. Almost the same. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I curl my lashes. For Asian lashes, you got to have the right technique to curl your lashes. I would recommend you guys is to go as close to your lash line. Also, try to relax your eyes and look downwards, and then you can start curling, and you just have to curl it a few times like that. It's okay if your eyelash curl a little bit too upwards and too L-shaped, because after you put on your primer and your mascara, your eyelashes will gradually go to the natural state and it will look more natural. So just fret not if you have very L-shaped curls. So right now I'm just gonna show you guys with the SHISEIDO one first. Right now my eyelashes look like that. Okay, looks like that. You can see, right? Okay, so I'm just gonna use this SHISEIDO one first. And then you try to go as close to your eye, and then relax your eyes, look downwards, and then try to do this a few times. Pull it upwards. Look, so much more perky. One bad thing about this SHISEIDO one is that it's too curvy down here, so it always leaves me a mark. And for me, I'll usually go in for a second round. tilt it like that, curl it upwards. Okay, you can see that difference, right? And I really like this color because it can go as close to my lash line. And the trick is to always look down and curl up. See the difference? Okay, so right now I'm gonna use the Shoe Mera one. Then I'll go as close to my lash line, look downwards, relax, and then try to give it a few pumps, move upwards. How curled it is. We're done with the normal eyelashes and they look really perky and like straight up. Although now it looks very L-shaped, but just don't worry because once you put a primer and everything, it will start to slowly go down to your natural shape. On my right side, I'm just going to use my Etude House one. It's a more affordable side, and this side will be my PMEL one. It's because the right side of my lashes, it's not as dense and hairy as my left eye looks. It's the Etude House one. And then it has fiber on it. Freaking focus, mister! Okay, it looks like that. It has a little bit of fiber in it. It might get a little bit clumpy, so just be very careful with your application. And if you guys can see, some fiber came out my eyelid, so it's a little bit tedious to use, but you know, if you want nice lashes, you gotta go through this hardship. From afar that my eyelashes is almost done. It's only with the primer and it's so long already. Okay, there are a few mascara that I really love, so today I think I'm gonna use either the HEROINE Make Long Lashes, the Voluminous, or the Canon by Urban Decay. I love them all. I'm gonna use the long lash first. Okay, as you guys can see now, I like to put more on the base. And I'm just gonna use PMEL. It's a clear mascara, but it also adds a little bit of fiber, so you guys can see. So for PMEL, right, you can see that it instantly lifted up my eyelashes. And for PMEL, you have to let it dry for a bit. Too liquidy and you put on mascara straight away, it will go down and weigh your eyelashes down. So you just gotta wait for a bit, wait till it's dry and a little bit more sturdy and a bit crusty. HEROINE Make Mascara, it's waterproof, and even when you go into the pool or you cry or anything, it just does not smudge. So and also it's a try to use this part, the front part, to just remove the clumps. So this side with PMEL, it's a more standard eyelash and it's very clear and defined. And for this side, it's a little bit more messy because you have a lot of fiber in this Etude House fiber gel, which sometimes is actually quite cute because you know, sometimes you just want a little bit volume here and there. You see it from afar. The Etude House one, it's a little bit more messy, but it's more voluminous. And for the PMEL one, it actually separates my eyelashes really nicely and it's more precise. It depends on what primer you want to go for. If you want something more messy and has a little bit of fiber and volume here, you can use the Dr. Mascara Fix by Etude House. And if you want something more precise, you can try the PMEL one. Personally, I like the PMEL one a little bit more because I like more precise mascara. Also, I can use this as a clear mascara. Okay, so to amp up the eye look, I usually use a crayon eyeliner to tightline my waterline. So usually I will use this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On eye pencil or this Marc Jacobs one. This is by the Sephora Rewards. So it's actually a true black. Just need a jet black lah. Okay, I'm done with my mascara and this is how they look. Looks like my eyes like ping ping.